Okay, so we just finished class, our meet, and the attendance was downloaded automatically to my downloads folder. You can see right here. And as you notice, it's saving it by the class name, and it gives me a date. Super handy. Now, already open is my larger workbook. I called it just attendance, real simple. And it's going to be a collection of all of those records instead of having just single files all the time. All right, back to downloads. I'm going to open fourth period up. When it saves, it's just one single sheet right here, nothing else. So I want to move it over to my larger attendance records. So I'm going to select move or copy. We're moving, we're not copying, so we're not going to check that. We're going to select that larger workbook, which for me is called attendance. By default, it puts it up at the very top. The last entry was, last week, which is nice. Keeps everything in order. Click OK, and it moves it right into there. And the other thing you had open closes automatically. Now, it didn't delete it from your downloads. It's still there. So if you're sure you're done with that single file and you want to free up the space, you can delete it now. Nice and tidy.